Welcome to Kentrol's Tailgate Hinge Installation Guide for Jeep's 2018 to 2027 Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT. Step 1. Begin by removing your spare tire. If your license plate mount includes a camera or brake light, disconnect them as well. Open the tailgate and carefully remove the plastic panel along the passenger side wall of your Jeep. It may make it easier to remove and install the plastic trim if you remove the bolts from the floor tie-downs on the passenger side. These use a T40 Torx bit. Once the trim is off, there will be 2 square holes with a plastic covering. Peel off the plastic film covering the hole to reveal the factory hinge. Then, close the tailgate. Step 2. With the tailgate closed and the rear glass raised, use a T55 Torx bit to remove the factory hinge bolts on the outside of your vehicle. It's best to replace the hinges one at a time. From the inside, use a 13mm socket to remove the bolts securing the top of the hinge. Then, remove the hinge assembly. Step 3. Align the paint protection liner on the back of the replacement tailgate hinge. Hold the hinge against the outside of the door and install the included bolts, tightening them with a T50 Torx bit. From the inside, secure the hinge to the body with the provided bolts and tighten them using a 13mm socket. Repeat these steps for the second hinge. Step 4. Once all the bolts are tightened, check the tailgate alignment by opening and closing it several times. Finally, reinstall everything you removed in step 1. Then you're done.